Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Euro USD. The European currency holds position at 1.0650. The growth of the euro continues to limit the potential recovery of the dollar. The focus of investors remains on the comments of the US Federal Reserve on further monetary policy. They agree that it should continue to tighten, while many support the idea that the rate should be raised by 50 basis points. Last week, Fed spokesman Christopher Waller said that the peak value of the indicator could be higher than previously expected by investors. In his opinion, the rate can easily reach 6%. Additional support for the dollar is provided by strong data on business activity in the services sector published last Friday. Given the above, the decline of the euro may continue. Next, GBP/USD. The British currency will fall again and is approaching the level of 1.20. Local support for the pound last week was provided by reports on activity in the service sector in England. In February, the index rose from 48.7 points to 53.5 points, exceeding the expected 53.3 points, signaling a positive trend that could help the economy avoid a serious recession. However, the optimism did not last long. Market participants again focused on the difficult economic situation in the country, especially after the confirmation of the crisis in the real estate market. Recall that the February housing price index from nationwide for the first time since 2020 went into negative territory in annual terms. A negative factor for the pound are also doubts that the Bank of England will continue to raise rates. And finally, Brent. Oil is consolidating around $85 per barrel. Hopes for a recovery in demand for oil in China continue to compensate for the fears about the growth of US inventories and the continuing tightening of the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Despite the decline at the beginning of last week, bonds still recovered at the end of the week, helped by the strengthening of Chinese manufacturing activity at the highest rate in more than a decade. Comments by the head of the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, Raphael Bostic, reassured investors who hope that the correction of interest rates will not put serious pressure on alternative assets to the dollar. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.